Okay, real quick, I wanted to show you guys something that I find important, especially if you love using YouTube. Go on the computer or your phone, whatever you got, man, and type in return youtubedislike.com. Alright, and you can install this for just about anything: Firefox, Chrome, Edge, Opera, Brave. You got unscripted if you want to do it through if you know how to code. And then you got iOS, which is jailbroken. Yeah. And what this does is it gives you your dislikes back. So I can hear perfect CNN. Let's go ahead and click on that.
Being anti-vax was his crusade.
All right. And yep, 1.k dislikes. Yep. I can go here and click on a Steven Crowder video.
You asked me for sources. One country that has better net results.
3.1k dislikes.
Being anti-vax was his.
You install this and it brings back your dislikes. And if you didn't know, dislikes are pretty important on YouTube. It really determines whether people actually agree with something or not, rather than just showing likes. I figure I'll show off this one I just clicked on, which is a pretty big one. Right here, UK finds mRNA COVID vaccines provide bigger boosters.
Writing's not that easy, but
Alright, and 1k dislikes. And yes, I threw a dislike on there as well. And only 249 likes. So, yeah. Should probably install return YouTube dislikes. It'll help you gauge whether people actually agree on something or not, because obviously people don't agree with this. Significantly. Here you go. Here's a video.
One actually out and talking to
Senator Rand Paul. Only 334 dislikes and 24k likes. So click on a Fox thing. I'm sure a bunch of people would think Fox has a bunch of dislikes.
Good evening and welcome to Tucker.
And only 1,000 dislikes with 800,000 likes. And this can go for anything. Obviously my stuff is filled up with news because that's all I really research on this computer. So yeah, get your dislikes back, people. Know what you're looking at. Know if people actually agree with what's going on. Because just showing likes, it's dangerous. One of the best examples of just showing likes is when you look up how-to videos. And how are you going to know if the how-to video is actually going to help you or not? How to levitate. I'm sure this has a bunch of dislikes. Okay, it has 30k likes for some reason. Alright, must be some type of little trick he does, but Chris Cuomo reacts to being fired.
And we have breaking news to report.
It's a lot of likes. You would assume that would have a bunch of dislikes. Because, I don't know, people still want to defend Chris Cuomo, even though he's helping his older brother, who is the mayor of New York. He's trying to help him get away with a sex scandal. Yeah, I know, that's insane. That's insane. But yeah, get your YouTube dislikes. Get your YouTube dislikes back.